Hello students, this is Rajni Singh and welcome to my classes. Now today we solve exercise 2.4 and here question number 1 is find first 12 divided by 3 by 4. So if we have a fraction, so here we change the sign, divide change in multiply, and this value is change here. Means first, what is a reciprocal? If we have a number 1 by 2, so reciprocal means here we write the 2 by 1, means convert this value into 2 in numerator and denominator is 1. If we have 2, that means we change the reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2 because here we have a 1. If we have 3, that means this value is divided by 1. So here the reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. So in this, here we 12 divide sign in change, multiply, and 3 by 4 convert in 4 by 3. Now we multiply this value. So 12 4 ja 48 divide 3. Now divide this value. So here 48 divide by 3. 3 1 ja 3. 4 minus 3 we get 1 and here 8. 3 6 ja 80. So the answer is 16 here. Now next we have 14 divide 5 by 6. So here 14 divide sign is change, multiply, and 5 by 6 reciprocal is 6 by 5. Now multiply this value. So here 6 4 ja 24, carry 1, 6 1 ja 1 and 1 7 here. Here 5. Now change in mixed fraction. So here 74, 5 1 ja 5 and 7 minus 5 we get 2. Next we have 4. 5 4 ja 20 and the remainder is 4 here. That means the answer is 14 whole number 4 by 5. Now question number 3 is 8 divided by 7 by 3. So here 8 multiply 3 by 7. Now multiply this values. 8 3 ja 24 and here 7. Now divide this value. So 7 divide 24. 7 3 ja 21 and remainder is 4 minus 1 we get 3. So the answer is 3 whole number 3 by 7. 3 whole number 3 by 7. This is answer. Now next 3 divide 2 whole number 1 by 3. So here 3 divide. First we change in a fraction. So here 3 2 ja 6 and 6 plus 1 7 by 3. Now change the signs. So here multiply and 7 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 7. So here 3 into 3 we get 9 divide 7. Now change in a mixed fraction. So here 7 1 ja 7 and 9 minus 7 we get 2 here. So the answer is 1 whole number 2 by 7. Now question number 2 is find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocals as proper fraction, improper fraction and whole number. So here the reciprocal of 3 by 7 is 7 by 3 and here numerator is greater and denominator is small. That's why this is proper fraction. Now next the reciprocal of 5 by 8 is 8 by 5 and here numerator is greater and denominator is small. That's why this is also a proper fraction. Now next the reciprocal of 9 by 7 is 7 by 9. So here 7 is small and 9 is greater here. That means this is a improper fraction. And in question number 6, 1 by 8. So the reciprocal of 1 by 8 is 8 by 1. It means 8, and here we have one denominator, that's why this is a whole number. Now question number 3 is find 7 by 3 divide 2. So here I write 7 by 3, change this sign, this will change in multiply, and here 2 divide 1, because if we have if we didn't have any denominator, that means here we have one denominator. So here I write 1 by 2, because 2 by 1 is reciprocal. This is the reciprocal of 1 by 2. Now multiply this value. So 7 1 ja 7 and 3 2 ja 6. Now change in mixed fraction. So here 6 1 ja 6, and subtract this value. So 7 minus 6 we get 1. So the answer is one whole number 1 by 6. Next, here 4 by 9, multiply, and the reciprocal of 5 we have 1 by 5. Multiply this value. So here 4 1 ja 4, 9 5 ja 45. So here new answer is 4 by 45. Now next we have 3 whole number 1 by 2 divide by 4. So here this is 2 3 ja 6 and plus 1. So means 7 divide 2. Here change this sign. So multiply, and 4, the reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. Now multiply this value. So here 7 1 ja 7 and 4 2 ja 8. So the answer is 7 by 8. Now question number 4 is 2 by 5 divide 1 by 2. So here I write 2 by 5, change the sign, and the reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. So here 2 2 ja 4 and 5 1 ja 5. And here numerator is small, then this is the answer. We can't divide 4 by 5. Now next here we have 4 by 9, change the sign, and this value is change in 3 by 2. Now multiply this value. So 4 3 ja 12, and here 9 2 ja 18. Now change in simplest form. So here this value is divided by 6, because 6 2 ja 12 and 6 3 ja 18. That means the answer is 2 by 3. Now next we have, this is mixed fraction. So here change in a fraction. 5 3 ja 15, and 15 plus 1 we get 16. Divide 5, divide 3 1 ja 3, plus 2 5, divide 3. Now change this sign. So here 60 divide 5, multiply 3 by 5. So here 16 3 ja 48, and 5 5 ja 25. Change in a mixed fraction. So 25 divide 48. So 25 1 ja 25, and 8 minus 5 we get 3, and 4 minus 2 we get 2. The answer is one whole number 23 by 25. Now here question number 8, 5 2 ja 10 plus 1, 11 by 5, divide 5 1 ja 5 and 1, 6 by 5. Now change the sign. So here the reciprocal of 6 by 5 we have 5 by 6. Now multiply. So 11 5 ja 55, and 6 5 ja 30. Now here we cancel this value by 5. So here 5 1 ja 5, and this one is 1, and 5 6 ja 30. So the answer is 11 by 6. Now change in mixed fraction. So here 6 divide 11, 6 1 ja 6. So the remainder is 5. So the answer is one whole number 5 by 6.